Alright, so welcome to another video, and in this video we're going to talk about custom GPTs and exactly how to build them. So now custom GPT, if you don't remember what it is from the previous video, it's basically a subsection of ChatGPT for a very narrow function. Okay, so I would suggest that you build out your own custom GPTs for daily tasks that you're doing, that you have to do every single day or every week, so that you don't have to spend time doing the same thing over and over again. And today what we're gonna do is we're gonna build out together a custom GPT specifically to create YouTube titles, descriptions, and tags. And if you don't know what tags are, they're basically these little tags like words or phrases. So over here it says tags can be useful if content in your video is commonly misspelled. Otherwise, tags play a minimal role in helping viewers to find your video. Fine. And let's go ahead and create a custom GPT for this function, okay? Because it's actually going to help me out in saving me some time when I create the videos, okay? So you would go over here to explore GPTs, then you would go over here to create. All right, and it starts with, hi, I'll help you build a new GPT. You can say something like, make a creative who helps generate visuals, blah, blah, blah. So what would you like to make? So the instruction that I will put here is I want to make a GPT that asks me what the video I shot was about. And then it creates a keyword packed title, SEO friendly title and description. SEO, by the way, means search engine optimization, which basically means that when people search whatever you put out, let's say a video or a blog or something like that, then they can easily find it and it's optimized in the search engine. Search engine is Google, YouTube. There are other search engines like Bing and stuff like that. Okay, and tags for YouTube. Purpose of this GPT is to create the above so that people can easily find my video. Separate the tags with commas so it's easy for me to copy paste them. Do not use words like delve, unlock, elevate, or any other words that sound like AI wrote the title and description. Follow the below instruction, and then I will take the prompt that I use in the video on how to humanize AI and I will paste it here. All right, so here we go. Let's take this, copy, paste, fantastic, and we hit enter. And as you can see here, it says updating GPT. That means that ChatGPT is programming that specific GPT to do the above functions. And it says, great, let's come up with a name for your GPT. How about YouTube Optimizer? No, I don't like this. Video SEO body, YouTube video SEO body. I like this. Cool, and then it generates the profile picture that is gonna appear over here. I don't like this. Nope, nope. Huh, almost. It says friendly assistant. Whatever, it's okay. Yes, I like this. All right, and then it says, great, now let's refine the context further. First, let's focus on how I should behave. How would you like me to ask about your videos and generate title, descriptions, and tags? What should be emphasized or avoided? And now you can say, for example, you should ask me 2 questions. First question, what is your video about? Second question is, any other detail that should be included in the title description that makes the video unique? Ask the questions one by one and wait for the first answer to the first question before asking the second. And again, it's updating the GPT to perform exactly on what I just asked. And it says, I've updated the context to include asking the 2 specific questions. Now let's continue refining the context. How should I talk to you? Any particular style or tone you'd prefer? Nope. Actually, address me as Captain. Let's try it out. Hi. Hey there, Captain. What's your video about? My video is about AI and how I can humanize AI to sound like a person. Got it, Captain. Any other detail that should be included in the title or description that makes the video unique? No. Actually, one sec. Actually, that I use ChatGPT and Claude in this video. Perfect. Here's your optimized title, description, and tags. How to humanize AI using ChatGPT and Claude to sound more human. That's a good SEO-friendly title. And the description is, in this video, I dive into the world of AI and show you how to humanize it to sound like a real person. Using ChatGPT and Claude, I demonstrate practical techniques and tips to make AI responses more natural and engaging. Whether you're a developer, AI enthusiast, or just curious about the technology, this video will provide valuable insights and hands-on examples tune in to see how you can make your AI interactions more human-like. And then it has a bunch of tags over here. Okay, so I like this, and this is a good thing, a good start. So I can actually just create this GPT and I can use it like that. But I just want to show you one more thing that you need to know about creating GPTs. And let's say that a GPT, because it has happened to me in the past, let's say that a GPT is not performing as you want it to perform. So you go over here to configure, and you see the exact instructions that ChatGPT has put in the instructions field over here, because ChatGPT is using whatever I said before in the programming stage to program the GPT over here. And something that is very important over here is that I took this whole prompt and I programmed the GPT to use that prompt, but look at this. This is what it changed the prompt into. Okay, so in this case, I would just delete this. I would say follow these instructions. Cool, and now I can test it again and do different things. So let's dive into some more stuff over here. In custom GPTs, you can upload knowledge or upload files that it can use for knowledge. And it says here, if you upload files under knowledge, conversations with your GPT may include file contents. Files can be downloaded when code interpreted is enabled. So in that case, let's say that you're creating a GPT that is going to handle customer support or something like that. You can upload an FAQ, frequently asked questions file, that has all of the potential questions and all of the correct answers for your company, so that the GPT knows what to answer when specific questions come up. And over here, you can turn on or turn off specific capabilities of the GPT, for example, web browsing, DAL image creation, or code interpreter and data analysis. So web browsing means that it can actually scan the web and it can find information based on whatever you ask. DAL image generation means that it can generate images. And code interpreter and data analysis, you will need that for your GPT to be able to scan files that you upload, create downloadable files and stuff like that, and to interpret code, actual code. But if you don't want to create advanced stuff with your GPT, just leave that as it is. And then there is another advanced function, which is create new action. We're not going to go into that right now. We're going to have another video probably in the future on how to use that. Okay, so, and then you just click on create, and you can choose from these three options, which is only me, so only you will have access to this specific GPT, anyone with a link, or GPT store, which let me show you what the GPT store is. Again, you go over here at explore GPTs, and this is the GPT store, which has different GPTs created from different companies. And as you can see, even Canva has a GPT, vid.io has a GPT, and these are paid GPTs. Okay, fantastic. So that's pretty much it. I will create the GPT with this option with anyone with a link, and you're gonna have access to that too. Okay, cool guys, so this is it for this video. Hopefully you liked it, and I'll see you in the next video.